Hi, and welcome to the Sektor Malaysia channel. Today we will be unboxing the Zebra ET40 Enterprise tablet. These are the items that we will be unboxing today. The ET40, expansion backs, rugged boot, power adapter and charging cable. First, we are going to unbox the ET40 AA 8-inch tablet. The ET40 and ET45 are built for business from the inside out, delivering reliable operation you can count on. Use it inside and outside, even in the heat or sub-zero temperatures. Next is the expansion back. To install the expansion back, we are lifting the corner of the battery cover up from the notched area and carefully removing the battery cover. Next, safely screw in the screws provided with a hex screwdriver. And if you work in more demanding environments, no problem, just add the optional rugged boot for even more durability. The next item we will be unboxing is the rugged boot. To install the rugged boot, gently snap on from the side. No tools required. Next item we are unboxing is the power adapter and charging cable. Here we are going to show you the device features. On the right is the power button and on the top is the top scan button and programmable button. In the front is the camera 5 megapixel with a light sensor. On the bottom is the left and right speaker for audio output. On the back is 13 megapixel autofocus rear camera and the rear microphone. This is the scan window, equipped with Zebra's world-class integrated scan engine. Here is the USB-C port. This is the up and down volume button and PPT button. The expansion back comes with a rotation hand strap and scanner trigger buttons. It is adjustable and able to rotate 360 degrees for a secure ergonomic option while holding the device. Next, we are going to test out the scan function and camera. Ensure the barcode is within the area formed by the aiming pattern. The aiming dot is used for increased visibility in bright lighting conditions. The data capture LED lights green and a beep sounds, by default, to indicate the barcode was decoded successfully. The 13 megapixel camera has autofocus and with user controllable LED flash. Available in both 8-inch and 10-inch screen size, this Android OS is thin and light consumer styling, yet rugged to withstand drops, bangs, bumps, dust and water. Next, we are going to charge. The battery is 6,100 mAh. The USB wall power supply 5V 2.5A charges the 8-inch tablet from 0-80% in less than 2.5 hours. A red LED indicator lights up to indicate it is charging. Here are some general specifications of the ET4045 tablets. For any inquiries, you may find our contact in the description box. Thank you for watching. Subscribe today for more upcoming videos.